To add a meal, use the action buttons on the right. I have friends visiting for dinner, so I'll choose Add Dinner and set the date accordingly. Then, I pick the recipes I'll prepare. The recipe list can be scrolled or searched. I'll pick mashed potatoes and turkey meatballs. When I exit, the ingredient list on the right updates so I know what to buy. If you've set ingredient prices, the planner also shows an estimated total cost. Note that the list sums up the ingredients across your planned meals, accounting for their unit. If one recipe uses cups for flour, while another uses grams, they'll be summed up separately and appear right next to each other. I just remembered, one of my friends doesn't like turkey. To edit the meal, I open it, remove turkey meatballs, and search instead for chicken, and add roasted chicken. The ingredient list updates instantly to reflect the changes I made. Planned meals stay on the calendar for reference. Once the week has passed, they no longer affect the ingredient list, so you don't have to remove past meals or manually create blank week pages. To remove a meal you've added by accident, open it, click the three-dot menu, and choose Move to Trash. That's it. Add, edit, and remove meals with instant grocery updates. To get more help about Organization Oasis Notion Meal Planner, check the help and video guides at the bottom of the homepage.